Hey, good morning, intermediate algebra students. Hey, today's linear equations with unknown coefficients, is, if you remember back to the last week of September, the first week of October, when we took a full week and we practiced problems. These are those problems right here. So this is the problems. I'm assuming by this point you're probably pretty good with them because I know we spent some time on them. So we got the first question right here, as you can see, which is this first one right here. I've already got all the answers on how to do them. So here is the question. You can see the first step was to distribute. So I did that. I distributed the W to both. Then anything, because we're solving, in this case, we're solving for Z. Anything with a Z term, I put on the left side. Anything that did not have a Z term, I put on the right side. Then I factor out that Z from both of those. And then you notice I put different colors. Whatever is on the right side is going to be on the top of the fraction, and whatever is inside those parentheses will be on the bottom of the fraction. Really isn't that hard. So let's just do one more real quickly. So we've got this type right here. Okay, so the first step is there is no parentheses, so we don't have to distribute anything, so that's kind of nice. So actually the first step here is we just need to get all of the Z terms to the left side. So I did that right here, got all my Z terms to the left, got this to the other side. I then factor out the Z from all three of them. Here's what's left over, and I put those again in orange, which goes on the bottom, that's your denominator. And whatever's on the right side is your numerator right there. I think this type is a pretty easy one, though. You guys were really knocking this one out of the park. So there's your answer right there. Guys, a very short video because you've worked very hard to get this one. I think this hard concept you guys are going to make look pretty easy because we practice so hard. Hey, have a great day, guys. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.